Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 24th, 2024, and we have a lineup of intriguing stories from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, Alex Mashinsky, the former CEO of Celsius, is set to return to court on November 13th. He faces charges of fraud and market manipulation related to the CEL token. This hearing will focus on preserving testimony from key witnesses, including former Chief Revenue Officer Roni Cohen-Pavon, who has already pleaded guilty. Mashinsky's legal troubles extend beyond this case, with civil suits from the SEC and CFTC also looming. In the world of Bitcoin, prices have bounced back above $67,000 after a recent dip. This fluctuation is attributed to a liquidity hunt as traders adjust their positions. Experts like Ryan McMillan from Merkle-Tree Capital view this correction as a healthy reset before a potential upward trend. The upcoming US presidential election and economic data releases could further influence Bitcoin's trajectory. Protocol has announced a major integration with Uniswap, enabling seamless in-app bridging across 9 EVM chains. This feature simplifies the process of transferring assets like stablecoins and wrapped Bitcoin, enhancing user experience by eliminating the usual complexities of bridging. An insightful article explores the intersection of cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence. It discusses how crypto's scarcity could complement AI's potential for abundance. The piece highlights the role of blockchain in addressing data privacy and access issues, and how decentralized platforms could democratize AI development. Vitalik Buterin's latest exploration of Ethereum's future, titled The Scourge, delves into the centralization risks of Ethereum's proof-of-stake mechanism. The article suggests strategies like proposer-builder separation to mitigate these risks and ensure a more decentralized and equitable staking environment. Base, a Layer 2 blockchain developed by Coinbase, has seen a record high in ETH holdings, reaching nearly 623,030 ETH. This growth reflects increased user adoption and liquidity, driven by low transaction fees and attractive DeFi opportunities. Base's strategic positioning within the crypto ecosystem continues to gain trust and popularity. Jeremy Allaire, CEO of Circle, shared his perspective on the market dynamics following the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank. He noted a risk-off sentiment towards USD and highlighted the challenges faced by institutions closely integrated with US regulations. Despite these concerns, Allaire reassured that USDC reserves remain secure and operations will continue as banks reopen. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and informative. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the articles discussed. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain.